Legends of Learning presents the Rocket Engine game. This is a math game that makes learning about the meaning of equal sign fun and easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, our ship's engines have broken down. It's in need of repairs to all three of its engines. Connect the power cells to repower the engines and get the ship moving once again. Drag the equation cells that are the number pair to the rocket cells and slot them all correctly to answer the math questions. In this game by Zapzapmath, students will understand more about numbered pairs. Find the right numbers to complete the math questions. Use the mouse to click and drag and drop different numbers to fix the ship's engines. Use your math skills to correctly connect the right numbers with the equivalent math expression or answer.
Match the slots with the numbers.
Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.
Level 3 complete.